All right, let's finish up this section by looking at a few very useful shortcuts for writing code fast. First, I'm going to show you the shortcuts for Windows users, and in the next lecture, we'll look at the shortcuts for Mac. So if you're a Mac user, feel free to skip this lecture. So here we're on line 9, and my cursor is right at the beginning of the line. Let's say we want to move the cursor to the end of the line. Instead of pressing the right arrow to go all the way to the end, we can simply press the End key, and here's the cursor. Or if you want to move the cursor to the beginning of the line, simply press the Home key. There you go. Similarly, if you want to move the cursor to the beginning of the file, press Control and Home. Here it is, or Control and End to go to the end of the file. Now let's say we want to move this line up. Instead of cutting it from here and then copying it somewhere else, we can simply move it up by pressing Alt and the up or down arrows. Or if you want to move these two lines up and down, simply select them, then hold Alt and then up or down. Very easy. Now, if you want to duplicate a line or multiple lines, simply select them. Now hold down Shift, Alt, and then press the down key. You can duplicate it as many times as you want. There you go. Here's another useful shortcut. If you want to convert this line or maybe these two lines into a comment, simply hold down Control and press slash. Using the same shortcut, you can remove the comment, so you can toggle it. Very easy. And finally, if you want to type the name of a variable or a function like multiply, you don't have to type all characters. Here are a few ways to type this quickly. You can just type the first few characters, and here in the IntelliSense, you can see that. So if you press enter, this is what we call auto-completion. Here's another way. So instead of writing the first few letters, you can just pick any letters in sequence and type them. So I can type MTY, or I can just type MPY or MY. There you go. Here it is. So I hope you enjoyed these shortcuts, and thank you for watching.